Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Check model and Android build in About Phone so you know which UI options exist. Once done, charge above 20% and enable required permissions. Draw over apps, notifications, and multi-window if listed. Make sure the app you want floating has permission to display over other apps. This is the key. Then open that app and keep it in recent or split-screen view so you can trigger the floating window action quickly. Now you create the pop-up. Open the app, then open Recent Apps or long press the app icon in the launcher. Choose Open in Pop-up View or Pop-up Window. Different Tecno UI labels behave similarly. Drag the window by its title bar, resize with corner handles, and use the controls to minimize or pin. If the option is hidden, try split screen first, then tap the app menu and convert the top pane to a pop-up. This gives you precise control over placement and size. Finish by pinning or saving the pop-up arrangement if your UI allows that. It keeps the window available during short tasks. Make sure you close memory-heavy apps so the floating window remains responsive, and use the app controls to snap it to corners when needed. If the feature does not appear, double-check Draw Over App's permission, reboot the phone, and try again. Restarting often restores UI options. If problems persist, reset app preferences in Settings. Then repeat the pop-up steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.